Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. And to this video we're gonna be making a simple tamarind soup. We have a tamarind instant. We have tomatoes, garlic, onion, small onion because onion is so expensive. Actually, you don't have to put garlic on it in your tamarind soup, but I love garlic, so, and then there's a lot of benefits of garlic as well. I just like garlic, that's all. It jumped, guys. My tomato, it jumped. Lagyan na rin natin ng, let's put some pork bouillon, pork cubes. I am making this because I have a cough. And this is good for your coughing and cold. Simple sour soup. Okay, we'll wait that to boil. Ayan guys, it's already boiling. In your tamarind soup, you don't have to put garlic on it if you don't like garlic. But I like garlic. I like garlic. I love garlic. And the garlic has a lot of benefits on it. And I found a cabbage in my refrigerator. I will add this one in my tamarind soup. Might as well add it, you know. Oh, diba? Gamitin na lahat ang whatever you find in a ref. And our tamarind soup, sour soup, is done. Pakuluan na lang muna natin ito. Let's bring it to a boil again, or maybe 1 minute probably, and we're done.